Hello friends, today we're going to make lemon drop shots. First, juice your lemons. You're going to need 1 ounce of lemon juice per shot. Each lemon should be a few ounces of lemon juice. Put that aside. Take your shot glass, moisten the edge, and roll it in sugar. We want it to have a nice sweet edge so when you drink it, it's not all just vodka and lemon juice. Add your vodka, 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and then you're going to take a lemon wedge. Roll it in the sugar. Once again, we want this to be as sweet as possible. This is a sweet shot. It should not be that tart. And there's your lemon drop. Now, drink up, eat the lemon, and make a shot for your friends.